Ladies and gentlemen, again, welcome to another episode. And this episode is gonna be obviously special because there is a special guest. And actually he's not a guest, he's definitely not a guest because I have known this guy for 20 years. So we have had long journey together. And he's called Mr. Black Barbarian.
Hello.
That's what.
Good to be here, second time in Mekalaya.
How do you like Mekalaya actually? How do you like? What do you see in Mekalaya?
I absolutely love it. I love the nature. I love the culture. People have been really nice. And it has been great to get to know Aki's family. Loving, caring family. It's been really nice.
Yes. What do you think about the culture?
We tried Kasi food, for example.
Kasi food. Okay. So how you find out the Kasi food? Like if you could, if you need to describe it somehow, like how it tastes.
There is very interesting tastes, and I can imagine for some of the tastes like tum tum.
Yeah, tum tum. Yes.
Tum tum. Maybe for a Scandinavian person, it could be a really powerful and a hard experience. But in general, they like to use interesting flavors, strong flavors.
Yeah, it's very strong flavors.
Which for me is always an absolutely interesting and a positive experience.
Yeah.
Haluatko kertoa jotain?
Ei tarvitse.
Näin, ja olemus kertoo kai.
Täällä on. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shillong. Big city, full of traffic, very congested, but people are nice. Here you can buy local foods, street foods. Happy people are selling around like that. I think this is it's chicken chow. Chicken chow. Good chicken chow. It's good. Continue to see things around. You can also come here and buy some balloons. Why not? Why not? You buy a happy balloon here in Shillong. So many people. It's Sunday, so it looks like this. 100 is shouted out for everywhere. 150 shouted out everywhere. But there it is. Beautiful Shillong. And here is my friend. He's always doing the vlogging the same time that I do. So, brother, how you find the Shillong already? It's so many people here.
Yeah, it's kind of crowded here.
It's crowded, nah?
Crowded and chilling compared to Nongpo.
Yeah. You know, here when you cross the street, it's actually very good that you will show the... Hey! You show your hand. Okay. Kaksi turistia Shillong. Let's go for the crowded place. Like I was saying, here in Shillong, when it's crowded, it is really crowded. Look at it. People have a free day, Sunday, church is done, worship is done, and then you come here in Shillong to do your shopping or whatever you do. You can buy so many things around here. 100 is yellow there, that side. There is 50 also. Let's see if I hear 50, 50 somewhere here. This is called, this is a Kasi knife. It's called Tara, right? Tara. Tari, sorry. It's not Tara, it's Tari. Kasi knife, good. It's good. Yes. She also says that the Kasi knife is good. So you come and buy the Kasi knife here in Shillong. Whatever you want, it is founded here. How are you guys?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yes.
Everything is okay?
Okay.
O cum no pilong?
Yeah.
Bien? Okay, Toto. So, they are also doing good. That's what they say. Extra is 50. 50. 100. Sorry, it's 100. Hey. Hello. How are you? 200. Okay, so normal is I think it's 100, but they say to me 200. Why is like that? I don't know. But here we are, in the middle of Shillong. Amount of people here, it's a lot of people. It's so much people here. Yeah, it's because of Sunday, I think so. It's like that. Let's see, where is my friend? Somewhere there is coming. Hello.
Okay.
Salam alaikum.
Bye.
Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. That's what I know in Arabic. Heating systems in the house, because now, especially here in Shillong, when the night will come, it's pretty cold. Even I'm a Finnish guy, but my goodness, I don't know if I can. Could I survive here in Shillong? That's a good question, because I like more warm than cold. Because in the worst cases in our case in our place, how many Celsius there is?
30 at least.
30. 30.
30,
My goodness,
yeah.
can you imagine 30? And lots of snow. Lots of snow. Christmas trees also. Is this diamond or what? They put diamond here, so the price is like that or what? Gold, I think it's gold is inside. Gold has to be inside. How much is that one? Here is rubies inside. 23,000. Welcome here to buy 23,000 in Samsung shop. You have some socks.
Samsung no.
You have socks. How much?
50 rupees.
50 rupees one. This one.
No, yes, 3 piece.
3 piece 50 rupees.
Yes.
Oh, I definitely take one. Follow Black Barbarian. He's very famous YouTuber. Very famous YouTuber in Finland. So subscribe Black Barbarian and come and buy the Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
From Samsung shop. 300?
300.
200?
300, brother, 300.
Only two?
Only 300, brother.
3?
Yeah.
Okay. They didn't sell for 2. What to do? I think these guys are good singers because they need to shout out very loud.
200.
So I think they are good singers also. Because you need to have loud voice when you sell like that. 200. And warm jackets actually. Warm, nice jacket. This is a Shillong Bazar, I think. Shillong Bazar, but I don't know what bazaar. It's not fancy bazaar. Hello. It is not a fancy bazaar, it is something else. Tell me in the comment, what bazaar is this place? Or is it even a bazaar? Don't know. That shop, your shop, only what? How much?
300.
Only 300.
Only 300.
But what if I give 2?
600.
So we don't have deal in 200.
No. Fixed price. Sorry.
Fixed price.
Price.
So he's selling a good fixed price items, jackets, shoes also. This is brother, is also your shop. This
No,
one.
no.
Only this one.
Only this one.
Look at him. He look like a statue or what? African Finnish tattoo. Looking good. Look at that guy. And you know what? He's also single. Okay, he's single man.
Oh, where are you from?
I am from here.
Okay.
From Meghalaya.
Meghalaya?
Yes. From here only. I'm from.
I'm from Germany.
You're from Germany. Oh, where?
Tuolla yes.
There. These guys. Hello. Good.
You know this guy?
Hello. What? This guy.
You know this guy? He's the best seller.
He's the best seller.
Yeah, in PB.
Oh, are you also salesman?
No, I'm not a salesman.
You're not salesman.
No.
Oh. What do you do?
These both are the salesmen of this PB.
They are the
From this
salesman.
booth. Yeah, they.
Okay, so they are the best salesman in Shillong.
Black jacket.
seller here.
That black jacket.
Best one.
This is the best one. Yeah.
I'm not sure if
Ask
he's
from
gonna
him.
make a discount.
Oh, there is also, you can see on his
Yeah.
back, there is strength.
Yeah.
Strength Toshu.
Ask from him. Where he's from? Ask from him.
Where he's from?
Yeah, ask from him.
How you say it in your language? Where are you from? In your language?
In my language.
Yes.
Kahan se ho aap?
Oh, kana se ho ha. Kana se ho ha. Ah.
Kahan se?
Oh. Kana se
Where
ho ha.
are you from? इसका मतलब कहाँ से हो आप?
Kaha se ho ha.
Ah.
Oh, kaha se ho ha. Nice. Good.
You know this guy?
No, I don't know yet. Who are you? What are you eating?
His
You
name is
eating
Pelu. Hey, Peggy.
Are you eating that one?
His name is Pelu.
Pelu.
My name is Elias, my name. I am from Nagaland.
You're from Nagaland?
Yeah.
Okay, Nagaland. In Nagaland you eat also dogs?
Yeah. No, we didn't eat dogs.
No dogs?
We are Muslim boys.
Ah, you're Muslim boys.
Yeah.
But many eat dogs.
Yeah, and Nagaland people eat dogs.
Nagaland people, is it true? Do you eat
Hey,
dogs
brother,
in
tell one
Nagaland?
time Pelu.
Ah.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Tell one time Pelu.
One time?
Say Pelu.
No, I don't say because I can
Because
see.
his name is Pelu.
My name is Elias.
Elias. Yeah. And
Dog. His name is Dog.
And you are from Germany.
Nagaland.
Nagaland, yes, sorry. You are from Germany, right?
Yeah, he is from
Hey.
Germany.
Ah.
See that guy who is wearing cap now?
Ah.
His name is Chilu.
Chilu. Okay.
That guy.
Hey, how much is this one?
800, 700, 450.
This one, green
Yeah.
one. How much?
450.
450? Ah. You sell me 200.
Kalua, my friend.
200.
Take one.
200.
No, brother, sorry. Take one picture from him. Take it. He's my brother, Kalua brother.
Bye guys. Bye guys.
Pakistani brother.
Pakistani brother. Okay. We are all brothers.
Take the photo. Take one photo.
Yes, you are already in a photo. Oh, hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, good.
How are you?
I am good.
How's your new baby?
Yeah, it's good. She's good.
I told you
Ask him.
she right?
Yes,
Is
she,
right?
yes.
Do new video.
Huh? Yes, I'm doing
Exploring.
vlogging. Yeah, exploring here in Shillong. What you could tell me about Shillong?
Shillong is a very nice place.
Very
but
nice
then
place.
when it comes to shopping, it's very expensive.
Okay, so where you need to go shopping then if you don't come Shillong?
Always.
Where you need to go
Shillong.
shopping?
Only Police Bazar only, no?
Oh, Police Bazar.
Yeah, and then Yodo also.
Like,
you get
but
that.
Police Bazar is in Guwahati, right?
Yeah.
Or
Huh?
Police Bazar.
Yes, this only no. This is the Police Bazar.
Continue. Hey.
My daughter.
Oh yes, of course we're gonna click a photo. Why not?
He has a lot of fans here.
Thank you. Bless you both. Good play. Bye. Yes, let's do a photo. Hello. God bless you. Yes. A photo also?
Yeah.
Okay.
Impossible to move. I think this is going to encourage more people to go and get a photo with him. This is crazy. He's a Meghalaya superstar. There's a big thing here. Totally huge. And another one.
I'm your big fan.
Yeah, my big fan.
I'm your big fan.
Mine.
Kumno Pilong? Piang. Photo show. What is your name?
My name is Pinkram.
Oh, okay. All right. Now we continue. Hello guys. How are you? Kumno Pilong? Piang. Okay, we're gonna go for this bazaar. I still forget what was this name. This is Police Bazar, right? Hey guys, this is Police Bazar. We are in Police Bazar. Hello. This is Police Bazar. Okay, so this was Police Bazar. Yes. I forgot. I mixed it with Police Bazar in Guwahati. It was Fancy Bazar. Yeah, Fancy Bazar is in Guwahati. Here is Police Bazar. That's what. My friend is somewhere. Got lost already. I don't know where he went. He went somewhere. Oh, it's there. Oh, is he having a photo? He's very famous in Finland. Ah. Let's do. If you come Police Bazar, you cannot move. You cannot move.
I'm fine.
Good. Hello. How are you?
Hi. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Guys, I found a Pikachu here in Shillong. Look at it. Pikachu here in Shillong. Sad that I forgot my Pokeball, so I cannot catch it. Hello, welcome to Vishali. Free entry.
Something like this, it will suit me very well.
Definitely, it suits you. You look good.
Yeah, the colors are great.
And you are single. That's why I still wonder why is it. How it is possible.
Work mind state. Focus on your work first.
Wow. Valuable man. Hey, where you? Where are you, brother? Which one? We will cut that one out. We will cut that one out. So you are working here or what?
Yes.
You are working here?
Here, closing hours. I clean the floor, take the dust.
Oh, so you are the cleaner.
Yes, I am.
All right.
Look at my work. It's beautiful. Try it. Look. Oh shit. Look again. What do you see? Nothing.
It's clean.
It's clean.
Yeah, that's what. It's clean. It's clean.
Nobody wants to take pictures with me, but this guy. And I do all the cleaning.
Hey, could you take off this camera?
Mulla
How
does.
many cameras you have?